Hey guys, what is up? BX here. Today we're going to play some Warships at War. Very good game overall. Great game. The goal, basically, the only mode I play, because I'm low level. Although I did upgrade to the Texas. Fucking Americans. Okay, anyway, he's on our team, so we won't yell at him. Dude, what are you doing? Dude, this guy's retarded. I'm the... You know what? Dude! Oh, it's another Texas. Oh, Costa Rican. I think, yeah, that's a Costa Rican flag. What the hell am I, stupid? Better be a Costa Rican flag. I'm gonna look retarded. Anyway. Yeah, I guess we'll go on the flanking fire of this beautiful Texas. As you see, we have our own Texas cruiser. The Kirk's a little smaller, faster ship. Texas, as you can tell, the way looking at it, is definitely a... battleship. I did really good last game. I don't know. I've gotten MVP twice. I've only played. I don't know how many games I've played. Fucking turrets. Shit, we're taking fire. Move to starboard. Oh, God. Oh, get wrecked. Dumbass. Oh, we got him. Did we get him? Looks like we did. Oh, God. Dude, you're going to knock us over. Okay, another guy stole our kill. Come on. We need more kills. Let's go look. Okay, we can go move. Oh, that's their spawn point. I'm going to move here. Starboard. Val! Fuck! Dude, get out of my way. You're going to hurt us both. Yeah, get wrecked by my artillery. That's right. Double kill. Oh, yeah. Damn. My range on Texas is not very good. My Fletcher was decent. Although... Fuck, we're taking hits. Oh, right to the starboard. Okay, we got him, too. Oh, no. Someone else stole our kill. Fuck them. Come on, 2 seconds so we can fire torpedoes. Damn it, another idiot. Dude, this Nathan guy needs to die for the crimes he's committed. What about this Texas? Fight me, other Texas! Fuck. No, this Nathan dude's gonna steal our kills. No! Shoot! Fuck him. Fuck everyone. They're all assholes. They're all stealing my kills. I'm with terrible stats. No chance of the MVP. Unless I can maybe get, I don't know, lucky with some firepower. Okay, we're about to win, so. Well, I remember one time I got the thing for, like, leading my team to victory. I want to get this kill. Die! I feel like the game ended and then we're glitched. Oh, stupid assholes. Meanies! I was gonna get, like, the MVP. Well, that's disappointing. That's okay, though. That's okay. I've never actually lost the game, which is interesting. At least I don't think I have. I don't know. See, there's the Kursk. That's a smaller ship. I want a battleship, though, so we're going to stick with the Texas. I hate the smaller ships. It's not even that much smaller, as you can see. The Fletcher, though, is a small little support ship. I might go with that. If we unlock it. Okay. So we're going to, again, we're moving in. Oh, let's take this angle. It's coming from this angle. Approach the enemies, but we want to shoot them on the... starboard. Anyway. Okay, so we got 6 o'clock is behind, 12 o'clock's in front, I'm pretty sure. So people say bandits at 6 o'clock or some shit. I don't know. Anyway. Okay, oh, here we go. Here's another Texas. We're out of range, it looks like. Let me take some shots. Yeah. I'm still gonna fire. Oh, shoot, yes. Actually, no, we have to hold him off. I'm going to engage this Kursek, who's bombing me. Did we get him with the artillery? I can't tell. Oh, we're shooting him. No, we're not. Are we shooting him? Dude, we just lost more Germans. Shoot. Shoot. Let me clear the spawn. Carsel Federation ship. Yeah, take that ship out, and I'll hold the starboard. As you see, I'm the Texas taking heavy fire. Shit. This is why I hate being the Texas. Oh, barely hitting us with torpedoes. Let's whoop their asses. Yeah, double kill. Alright, let's move around. Alright, who else is there trying to steal our point? Actually, let's hold the point. Dude! Dude, stop! This isn't okay. He's a moron. Look at that. Oh my god. Starboard. Oh shit. Fellow Texas. See, everyone uses either Texas. I remember when I had my, I don't know, smaller ships are interesting. Asshole stole my kill again. Whatever. It's not about kills. It's about having a team victory. No, it's all about kills. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh my god, this Hunter guy is about to get MVP. Fuck, I'm just gonna charge him. Look at him stealing my kills. Asshole. Like, I know my turrets are overheating. Here we... Oh, yeah, prime spot. Yes! Victory! Okay, I got terrible this game. Like, 2 kills, probably, or something. 2, 3 kills. Let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, I'm right there, because that's how life is. MVP's ace. Ooh, yeah. Okay, another fellow German. Oh, the German was the best one. See, the Germans are the best. You get the best. I think you get better artillery for the Germans. Anyway. German fighters are the best. Okay, we're still waiting for all our ships. Let's go take one more battle. Guys, we're going to do one more battle of this beautiful Warships game, Warship Fury. The higher league offers more valuable chests. The higher league, not the fucking higher. So I think everything's German. Okay. Oh, this is a good map. Oh, crap, we're at full speed. Can we go down a little bit? No, shit, no, we want to go full speed ahead. Where to angle your turns. Okay, we got enemies in range. I kind of want to come around the back. I'm going to go this way. Okay, no, he's out of range. Fuck. Oh, they're already getting him. Oh, this guy right here. Focus fire to him. No full spell. We got him. Good. That means Texas can take more hits. Okay, we got him. It's going to be this guy now. Oh, what a kill stealer. What are you guys doing? He's dead. What a waste of torpedoes. Anyway. Let me whoop this guy's ass. There we go. Got a kill. Okay, let's still kill this guy now. Hey, dude. Sup, mother trucker? Oh, look at that. Look at that weak torpedo shot. Yeah. Fletchers are terrible. Crap. Oh, God, we're heavy zone. We might die here, guys. Alright, we have to focus all fire on this Texas. Fuck, turret overheat. Come on. Get him. Someone get him for us. Get him for us. What are you doing? Oh, good. This Texas is dead. Okay, we're about to take we're going to take a casualty. Damn it, we're going to die. Fuck. Damn it, we can't take this hit from the mountain. Turn, 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 turn. 95, 96. Let's go. I got one kill that battle. Yeah, the Pooch, he deserved it. He kill stealed everyone. I got 2. 6 kills. Why? How did he not? Oh, he must have killed all the Fletchers. Oh, they only had 2 Fletchers. They had a Texas. Anything bigger than a Texas? No. Okay. Well, I said we're going to do one more. That's going to be the